T7.11. An SRS of size 100 is taken from population A with proportion 0.8 of successes. Okay, so let's write this. N1 is 100 and P1 0.8. An independent SRS of size 400 is taken from population B with proportion 0.5 of successes. So N2 equals 400 and P2 equals 0.5. The sampling distribution of the difference, A minus B, in sample proportions has what mean and standard deviation? All right, so this question is about the sampling distribution of the difference in proportions. So that's the sampling distribution of p hat 1 minus p hat 2. All right, so the sampling distribution of p hat 1 minus p hat 2, we can say something about its shape, its center, and its variability. All right, so here's what's true about its shape. Okay, the shape will be approximately normal if the following things are true. Okay, N1 times P1 is at least 10. N1 times 1 minus P1 is at least 10. N2 times P2 at least 10. N2 1 minus P2 at least 10. All right, the center, which is measured using the mean, so the mean of the estimates p hat 1 minus p hat 2 will equal the true difference p1 minus p2. Okay, in other words, the estimates will center around the true value. All right, the variability, which we measure with the standard deviation, so sigma p hat 1 minus p hat 2 is equal to the square root of p1 1 minus p1 over n1 plus p2 1 minus p2 over n2. All right, now you are provided with those last two formulas there. You're going to have to remember this part on your own. But in this case, it doesn't matter. The question isn't asking anything about the shape. It just wants to know the mean and the standard deviation. And in fact, all 5 answer choices have the same mean value, 0.3, right? Which we can check ourselves, right? Because we know P1 is 0.8 and P2 is 0.5. So if we just do the math, 0.8 minus 0.5, we get 0.3. So all of those check out. Okay, it's just a matter of figuring out which of these is the correct standard deviation, which we'll have to apply this formula here. All right, so this is going to become the square root of 0.8 times 0.2 divided by 100 plus 0.5 times 0.5 divided by 400. All right, and I'm just going to calculate this off screen here. And just hear me repeating the numbers. 0.8 times 0.2 over 400 plus 0.5 times 0.5 over, oh, I think I typed in the wrong number. So the first one is 100. The second denominator is 400. Okay. So as long as I didn't make any mistakes, I'm getting 0.0471, which would make C the correct answer choice.